In this video, we're unboxing the replacing the fuel pump module for Ford F-150 2014. This is the fuel pump module. The following are the tools required for replacing the fuel pump module. A 10mm wrench, air nozzle, vehicle toolkit, open the right rear passenger door, lift the rear seat cushion, remove the trim panel under the seat, rotate the small black knob near the seat belt, remove it, pull out the toolbox, release the clips on both sides of the box, open it, remove the tools for replacing the spare tire, install the tools. Remove the license plate, open the spare tire access cover, unlock the spare tire mechanism with the ignition key, insert the assembled tool into the access hole. Once it's in, rotate it slightly. We can feel the extension engage, which won't turn anymore. Then turn counterclockwise. Once the spare tire hits the ground, remove the tool. Pull the spare tire out. Lift the tire. Pull out the retaining cable. Remove the spare tire. We can see a bell mouth-shaped guide here. Our tool goes from the outside access hole into this bell mouth, then aligns with a square hole inside. When rotating the mechanism, make sure to rotate the cable completely. That we can remove the mechanism, lift the vehicle. We can see the fuel pump module mounted on the cross member of the frame. Using a 10mm wrench, remove the 2 bolts securing the fuel pump module. There are 2 bolts on each side. Remove the bolts and module. Unplug the module connector. Here's a comparison of the old versus new fuel pump modules. The reason for we replaced the pump modules is because the old module failed, which caused the engine of vehicle can't start. Use the air nozzle to clean out the dirt and debris, or it may lead to poor connections. Plug the connector into the new module. Line up the module with the mounting holes. Install the mounting bolts. Use the 10mm wrench to tighten them down. Lower the vehicle. Feed the cable back through the spare tire. Pull the spare tire out. Push it back under the truck. Using the same replacing tools, reinstall the spare tire. Turn clockwise to reinstall it. Run the spare tire up until it's fully seated. Reinstall the spare tire access cover. Snap the cover back on. Put the vehicle toolkit back. Reinstall the locking knob and tighten it. Snap the trim cover back. Engage the seat clips. Lower the seat cushion back down. Use the same way for the other seat section. After all set up, start the engine to verify the repair. Test complete.